This message is for all future crypto millionaires. This video is for anyone trying to be efficient with their capital and their time in crypto. When it comes to altcoins, everyone has dreams and visions of grandeur. But in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips, strategies, or revelations that I think are going to help you. So if you find this helpful, give me a number 2 in the comments, repost it, bookmark it for later, because you're going to want to come back. I'm going to give you some good stuff that you can use whenever. Number 1, let's talk about altcoins for a second. And let's talk about that altcoin in your portfolio, or maybe your entire altcoin portfolio that looks like this over the last, 12 to 14 months. Now let's talk about the hopelessness and all of the naysayers, the commenters, the KOLs, telling you that altcoins are terrible. They always do this after this happens. But perspective and realism is just as important in crypto investing as hindsight 2020. Because what those people won't tell you is that all of those losses can be made up in a matter of weeks, days, or a month when it comes to altcoins. That's the nature of the beast. This image behind me is simply the next panel over with a little coin you may have heard of called BNB. Now, is the altcoin market today the same as altcoin markets in the past? Absolutely not. That's where you have to be a pragmatist. You have to look around and go, what's happening in the world today that wasn't happening in the world in 2017, 19, or 2020? That's where what I always preach, crypto market knowledge comes into play. Being a crypto historian for your own portfolio is vital. So let's just pontificate on number 2 here for just a second. Now Wall Street's in the game, right? We now have actual crypto stocks that you can invest in. Heck, we have ETFs that are leverage ETFs on new cycle tokens like SWI or tried and true Oracle services like Chainlink. The largest high beta play on the planet to Bitcoin has been MicroStrategy, which, by the way, topped and front ran Bitcoin before it hit its all-time high so far this cycle. Largest Ethereum digital asset trust on the planet, Bitmine Immersion Technologies, has completely retooled its business model as an Ethereum treasury company, and it potentially will move like a meme coin this cycle. Why? What's different from the altcoin market of the past and some of the crypto stocks of the present? It's simple. Proximity to liquidity. The stock market, the bond market, they all get the flow of M2 money supply, Federal Reserve emergency liquidity, all of the things that push prices up in an inflationary way that make you richer as a property owner. Stock market gets it first. So if the stock market has stocks that have exposure, even leveraged exposure to cryptos, then it makes a whole lot of logical sense that MicroStrategy would front run Bitcoin, or that Bitmine would front run Ethereum. Now, I'm not telling you to invest in crypto stocks. As a matter of fact, I was late to the game on that, but I'm enjoying what's happening there because they tell me what I think is coming to the crypto altcoin market. And number 3, in the same way that altcoins can make up for all the damage that they've caused in your portfolio in a matter of days or weeks, that's the fallacy. That's the paradox where most people get caught in round tripping their portfolio. Because even though your altcoin went down in price for 12 to 14 months solid, and now it's pumping, doing whatever, hundreds of percentage point gains in a matter of days or weeks, it doesn't mean that it will go up for as long as it went down. Calendar is the number 1 problem that I see in retail investing zeitgeist and mentalities. The market is asymmetrical. That's why altcoins are an incredible asymmetrical investment if you play them correctly. But in the same way that they're asymmetrical in the potential reward, they are asymmetrical or non-symmetrical in the fact that they don't go up for as long as they might grind downward. So have your exit plan in place. So today, write your full exit logic for each of your assets out like a checklist today. When will you trim the size of your position? When will you exit completely? Where on that price chart can you walk away without regret? Document it, put it in a spreadsheet, put it on a piece of paper, write it with crayons, mail it to yourself, whatever you've got to do not to get drunk on the final impulsive rally of this market. Now, if you're still here, thanks for watching this video. I know it's a little longer than most TikTok videos, but you're probably a crypto investor or somebody who's crypto curious and wanting to make the most of this opportunity. Maybe you're a business owner or a spouse or a parent. Maybe you're a retiree or a pre-retiree, and you know that decentralized finance is here to stay. Crypto is a part of the fabric of society, but you feel alone, you feel ill-equipped, or you just want to go to the next level. I'm currently taking one-on-one appointments, one-on-one Zoom calls with anybody willing to watch my 12-minute overview video on what I call the crypto flywheel method. It includes strategies for cash flow, passive income, yield, appreciation, exit strategies, how to you collateralize your portfolio so that you can buy more cash flow in different areas. And it comes with an awesome community that everybody loves and we're really proud of. People make a lot of money and they have a blast helping each other do it as well. After all, we're just red-blooded capitalists who have an actual purpose. Like and follow for more.